All right, Algebra 1 students, we want to look at Unit 2, Lesson 26, Modeling with Systems of Inequalities in Two Variables. Our two goals are, I can interpret inequalities and graphs in a mathematical model. So essentially, we are going to be using the inequalities and their graphs to interpret what is going on. So what are they showing? What can we get from this stuff? I know how to choose variables, specify the constraints, and write inequalities to create a mathematical model. So when we look at the situation, we can pick out, this is what I need a variable for. This is how the constraints will work. Should I use positive numbers? Should I use negatives? Should I allow decimals? And then we use that information to write the inequalities to kind of model what's going on. We're still using the same things, so solutions to a system of inequalities, we're still looking at the overlap, where those inequalities overlap. That's the true parts for both. And then we just have our system of inequalities, where we have usually two inequalities in the same situation so that their overlap is our solutions. All right, so for this warm-up, all you're going to do is you're going to see how many of these problems this ordered pair is a solution for. So is the ordered pair 5.43, comma 0, that point, a solution to all, some, or none of these inequalities? So we have x is less than 0, y is greater than 0, x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. So would this make all of them correct? Would it make some of them correct, or would it make none of them correct? Make sure you can explain why you chose the answer you chose. Bring that to class tomorrow. That will start our discussion. Thanks.